Anilao, Batangas. It is reputed to be one of the world's best locations for underwater photography. It has a variety of underwater creatures and critters. The dive sites of Anilao are 15 minutes of boat ride away from the shore. But what makes Anilao special are its coral reefs, which many marine species live on. There are two types of corals, the hard corals and the soft corals. These corals are important to the ecosystem. What's commonly known as starfishes, to divers, these are called sea stars. There are different types of sea stars, but the most eye-catching one is the Ancanister family, also known as the crown of thorns. It may look evil, but it really isn't. What was your experience regarding the last crown of thorns outbreak?
The first time, it was really weird. I've been diving for so long, tapos ngayon ka lang makakita nung ganong creature underwater.
Well, before we see them as a threat because of how they look.
How did you handle the infestation?
Handling it, you don't just handle it like the ordinary sea urchins. When you handled it wrong, mag-spawn siya nang wala sa oras. So instead of eliminating them, mas dadami siya.
We had a cleanup, and the cuts, they're very delicate, so we really have to be careful when we have to pick them up.
The crown of thorns, it feeds on faster growing corals to make way for diversity and prevents the spreading of diseases. One of its predators is the giant Triton snail. It is one of the most overfished species, only because it is used as a souvenir. The crown of thorns contributes to the ecosystem. However, the loss of the giant Triton snail causes the crown of thorns to overpopulate. But what is really the problem? The root of it all are human activities. Touching corals and marine life during dives, the use of chemical fertilizers which get carried to the sea, the construction work that dump debris into marine areas. These activities simply contribute to the destruction of corals, which make way for the crown of thorns to consume more of them. Caution! There are steps and guidelines when you encounter crown of thorns sea stars. Avoid going near one if you are not wearing any protective equipment. If you accidentally touch it, just follow these steps. Signal your diving buddy and ask him or her for help. If you are diving alone, go ashore and pour warm to hot water over the affected area to stop the infection. But everything has a solution and an alternative. In farming practices, it is better to use organic fertilizers than chemical ones. We should stop overfishing the predators of the crown of thorns and avoid touching or disturbing the marine life. Corals are a multi-billion-dollar industry and contribute to tourism. The coral reefs are very important because it is one of the things that give life to marine species.